Hello and welcome to the not the Tulip Show, the cousin of the Tulip Show, the Stiurim Show. Yes, the Stiurim Show. My name is Victor and I'm the cousin. You know Rachel from the Tulip Show? Well, she's a cousin of mine. You know, not בדיוק cousin. You know, she has a sister. She has an uncle who has a daughter who is a piano lesson teacher, and he is a friend of Rachel, so you know we're like cousins. You know, Rachel and I like this. So I talk a lot with Rachel, and all the time she says Gracie this, Gracie that, Gracie this, Gracie that. So I don't know who's this Gracie. I mean, I don't know if Gracie קיימת בכלל. I mean, קרן קיימת, but Gracie, I don't know if she קיימת. So I come here to the United States of America, and I try to find Gracie. And I was at San Diego in the Comic Con because there are all the celebrities, all the תותחים, but no, I don't find Gracie. So I decided I come to Las Vegas, where all the money and all the big shows here, maybe she come here because she tells me she's an EGOT winner. So I probably, you know, I want to see her. So now I'm at the strip, the famous street, not the strip, the street called the strip. And now I'm gonna show you a little around of the strip, and then I'm going to look for Gracie because I don't know who she Gracie is, but I know I'm going to find her sometime in this strip. Not this strip, not the strip, this strip. So I'm just going to show you a little of the strip. Very nice. So I'll talk to you soon when I try to find Gracie. Bye.